Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study from PDF notes effectively. First, begin by organizing your digital notes into a clear, logical folder structure on your computer or cloud storage. This simple step saves you valuable time later. Next, select a robust PDF reader that offers excellent annotation features, such as highlighting, sticky notes, and drawing tools. Finally, make sure your study environment is free from distractions, and your device has ample battery life for uninterrupted focus. Once your setup is complete, dive into active reading. Don't just passively scroll. Instead, highlight crucial information like main ideas, new vocabulary, and significant figures. Use the comment feature to jot down questions that arise or to connect concepts to prior knowledge. A powerful technique is to summarize each major section or paragraph in your own words directly within the PDF, perhaps using a text box. This process reinforces learning and helps you identify areas needing further review. Effective studying isn't just about the initial read, it's about reinforcing what you've learned. Leverage the search function in your PDF reader to swiftly find specific terms or topics when reviewing. Transform your highlighted sections and personal summaries into digital flashcards using a dedicated app or a simple document. Aim to review these flashcards and your annotated notes at least 3 times over a week to strengthen your recall. Consistent review is key to long-term retention. To truly optimize your study flow, consider advanced techniques. If you have multiple related PDF notes, use linking features within your reader to create a connected web of information. Many PDF applications allow you to export all your annotations into a separate document, which is incredibly useful for creating concise study guides. Finally, always remember to back up your annotated PDFs to a cloud service or external drive. This ensures your hard work is safe and accessible from anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.